In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF to Godaddy website builder. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to the Godaddy homepage, navigate to the section where it says domain names, websites, hosting and online marketing tools. Click on this link to proceed to the next step where you'll need to sign in to your Godaddy account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Godaddy homepage. Here, the next step is to access your products. Look for the products link. This will take you to the list of services and products you have with Godaddy. Now select the website you wish to edit. You may have a single site or multiple ones, so ensure you choose the correct website where you want the PDF to be available. Once you've selected your website, click on the edit button. This will open the website builder interface, which allows you to make changes and add content to your web pages. Now look for the add section in the builder. Clicking on this will open various options you can include in your website layout. Look specifically for the section labeled Files and Web. In this category, you'll find different features you can add, but your focus will be on adding a file or a PDF viewer. Once you find the Files or PDF viewer option, select it. You'll see an Add button. Click on this button to integrate the function into your website's current page. From here, a prompt or window should appear allowing you to upload your PDF file. Simply browse your device for the PDF you want to add and select it. Let it process and get uploaded into your website's framework. And that's it. In just a few short minutes, you've successfully added a PDF to your Godaddy website. This addition will make your site more informative and provide a robust resource area for your visitors. Remember, keeping your content organized and easily accessible is key to enhancing the user experience on your site. Make sure to save all your changes before exiting the website builder. This step ensures that your latest updates, including the newly added PDF, are published and visible to your audience. Keep visiting our channel for more web building tips and tricks, and thank you for joining us today.